Fat Guy Flies RC, going to take up the second time ever the Avanti S from FMS, the 18th year anniversary, 90 millimeters. Second flight ever. We're going to fly in my high range, which are 100% throws, 30% expo all the way around, and we're going to do a speed test. Okay, got the GNS performance analyzer in her. I'll show you after the flight where I've got her. And we're going to just got a 6,000 in there now. And I've set the timer for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Because I learned on the 5,000 graphene that I came out with like 50% left even after 3.5 minutes with 50%. So 6,000 should be even better. And I pretty much got it the same place, back just a touch more because it is a heavier battery. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Our wind has died, so now I'll be able to see how my get to see how well my flaps work. I'll get turned around here. The mosquitoes have come out in full force. All right.
Hitting the brakes. Cruise mode.
All right. Need to put a screen lock or something on this thing because I keep getting off my dashboard. All right, let me get behind camera Precious here. You know what? Let me come by here real quick. I want to make sure my whoa.
Time 4 minutes.
All right, let's stop it. Okay, just make sure I had reading. Okay. All right. We're reading now. Love that KM model afterburner. All right. Here we go.
Up. Gear is up.
Flies like an Avanti. All right, gonna take it up, spin it. Full speed. That should definitely give me my speed reading.
Retract deploy. Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes. Takeoff flap. Flaps are up. Landing flaps. Flaps are up.
Don't like landing flaps. So I'm going to land without the landing flaps this time. Okay, did not mean to do that.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Takeoff flaps.
We'll try takeoff flaps.
Hitting the brakes.
She definitely
Flaps are up.
carries her weight. All right.
Cruise mode.
And she'll float and float. So I'm going to have to adjust the flaps. I've got them down too far. And takeoff flaps seem to help some. So I need to adjust them flaps. And I do need some down elevator mix. So give me just a moment. Okay, while I adjust that. 116 mile an hour, 116. I'm sure I can do better than that. All right, we're reading. We'll try that again. All right.
Landing flaps.
Whoa.
Flaps are up.
Nope.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Too much down elevator.
Retracts deployed.
Yeah, way too much down elevator.
Takeoff flaps. Hitting the brakes. 30 seconds.
All right.
Cruise mode.
Get about 10 more flights and I'll have this thing dialed in perfect.
20 seconds.
Love that afterburner.
Hitting the brakes. Cruise mode.
All right.
Flaps are up.
I think I am going to have to do,
10.
I'm going to go back to BD Tennessee's video on how to do flap mixes or flight modes for flap mix and be able to do it in flight, because that's just taking off and landing and rechecking, taking off and landing and rechecking. It's so much easier to do a flight mode, and then I'll show you the end results once I do that. But we're going to have to be done for the day because it's getting dark and the mosquitoes are getting fierce. We had 8 seconds left, and I don't think I can, yeah. We had no holds and only 6 frame losses. So, I mean, you don't really worry about frame losses until you get like way over 70 or so. And no holds, of course. So that's great. You don't want holds. All right. Prop secured. Let's see what kind of speed we had this time. Oh, never mind. I didn't even start it. So, anyways, I think we said, what, 116 mile an hour. So not bad at all. And I forgot to start it. But this is where I've got the 6000 right there. That's an HRB 6000. Okay, that's the KM model, or that's the GNS performance analyzer right there, velcroed in. That is the 6000 HRB. Okay, and then back underneath that tray with the antennas going at 90 degrees. If you watch my setup, my radio and setup video, is an AR830T, I think. It's the 8-channel Spectrum receiver that's got safe and telemetry and all that. So I don't remember the actual numbers. And of course the KM model afterburner. So let's check and see what kind of juice is left in the tank. This is a sweet, sweet flying jet. I'm telling you right now, this is a sweet flying jet. Just got to get her dialed in with these flaps. 39%. And I had 8 seconds left on a 4-minute and 10-second timer. Okay, so 4 minutes, 10 seconds is perfect on a 6000. On a 5000, 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Okay, all right, well, there you go, folks. That is the FMS 18th anniversary Avanti 90 millimeter, and I am so pumped. This is such a great flying plane, but she carries her weight. Just got to get these flaps flap settings worked out. I kind of deviated from the book, I think, so that may be why I'm having the problem. But she carries her weight. And all right, y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. God is great, and that's the Avanti S 90 millimeter. I am so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all have a good, and don't forget to say family and friends. God is great. Thank you, Jesus. Bye-bye.